If you're a recent electrical engineering graduate entering the job market, then here are some tips for you that can help you make inroads into the job market with minimum delay. My first recommendation for you is to create a LinkedIn profile. LinkedIn is not like most of the other social media platforms. And actually not having a profile on LinkedIn can be a red flag for potential recruiters. Even if you don't have much experience, just basic details around your undergraduate engineering degree, any type of affiliations that you had, or the communities or clubs that you joined while you were doing your undergraduate study is going to help your cause. It is also a great platform for you to network with other folks, even if they are just your classmates, because a lot of them will hopefully be getting jobs as well, and you will be able to sort of network within their network. So take some time and create a LinkedIn profile, even if you don't have any experience at all. My second recommendation is to put some time and effort into your resume building. A lot of recent graduates put minimal effort into their resumes, into their CVs, into their portfolios and profiles. Don't just download a sample random resume from somewhere or copy paste a resume of one of your friends or colleagues. Put in some time and effort to thoroughly understand what are your skills, even if that's just coursework or some of the software tools that you learned in the school. What are the activities, the leadership roles that you assumed, and try to come up with interesting ways to present your experience and your achievements. Now you can use all different types of resources, help from AI, ChatGPT, Gemini to craft a resume, but nobody will ever know your achievements and your unique story better than you. My third recommendation is to actually reach out to recruiters in your area, whether that is through LinkedIn or by simply calling up recruiting agencies. The best part about recruiters is that their incentives are aligned with your incentive. Your incentive, your goal is to actually land your first engineering job. And by helping you with these placements, the recruiters are able to make commission. But the recruiters also act as the first filter for their clients. They only push forward the applications and the resumes from folks who they know are most likely to qualify for that job. So while the recruiters are on the same team as you are, they're actually one of the obstacles that you have to cross. And once that recruiter realizes that you are a good candidate with the aptitude, skills, and hopefully even experience, then they are going to bat for you. But you need to put your best foot forward even in front of the recruiters. My fourth recommendation to you, which probably doesn't come as a surprise, is to pursue your EIT certification. Chances are that if you're looking for electrical engineering jobs on Indeed, Monster, or at your local university job platform or portal, you're going to find that a lot of employers are asking for EIT certification, FE exam passed, or P exam passed, or even sometimes P licensure. Although P licensure is not possible unless you have experience, but you will routinely see P licensed engineer, you'll routinely see FE/EIT exam passed as one of the job requirements or good to have. Now you have just completed 4 years of undergraduate engineering. Unless you minored or majored in some other area as well, it could be even up to 5 years of academic studying, and preparing for another exam might not be at the top of your list. But what I'm going to tell you over here is that an easy way for you to stand out as compared to the rest of the competition is by passing this exam. Your degree is backed by your university or your college, but the EIT certification is backed by the state. Sometimes even if you have master's degree, the master's degree is not going to give you as much traction and attention as passing the FE Electrical and Computer exam and getting your EIT registration done. So this is one of the easiest way for you to stand out. And if you're interested in learning more about my programs, please visit my website, studyforfe.com. The last piece of advice that I have for you is to do as many mock interviews as you can. Maybe have a friend or family member ask you a whole bunch of behavioral style questions. And if you have a classmate who is knowledgeable about technical questions, or even you can ask ChatGPT to actually, for the given job title and description, create some technical questions for you so that you can actually work through them. I'm confident that if you implement some or all of these tips that I've shared with you, your odds of landing a job are going to increase significantly. If you're new to this channel, please consider subscribing. On a weekly basis, I'm creating content for FE Electrical and PE Power exam preparation. I also discuss topics related to electrical engineering with a focus on power systems engineering. If you'd like to learn more about my FE Electrical and PE Power exam preparation programs, please visit my website, studyforfe.com.